Greetings one and all, how's everyone doing? Welcome back to Casser Wednesday. Hope everyone's doing well. So I made two mistakes. I picked up a North side, but wasn't paying attention. I got the family size, so it's like double the mix. Which no problem, I'll just eat the leftovers tomorrow for dinner. But then I realized it's not even the rice, it's the pasta. It's like, so we're just gonna go with it. Happy accident, maybe, because I was actually going to cook this in a canteen cup on the stove here for my buddy Anchor 440, but now I got to use a Dutch oven. Oh well, I never said it was perfect. Alright, so I got my Dutch oven going, got the water in, got some salt. I'm going to do a corn on the cob for a vegetable, because they're on sale and in season. Get a little olive oil in my skillet for the chicken. Normally if I was camping I would use a packet or a can of chicken, but I'm just gonna cook chicken because it's cheaper and better. Alright, let's get the chicken out. Alright, so I got one chicken breast. These are pretty big. Trim off the extra fat. I cut these into like chicken tenders or chicken tender sizes. Something like that. Waiting for my pan to heat up. Get some seasoning on these guys, because I'm all about the seasoning. Yeah, maybe we over season too much as a society, but I like the little extra flavor that seasoning brings. This is just sloppy mama, garlic, and paprika. Kind of rolled around and alright, I have the water going. Pouring my side, stir. Just want to see where the chicken's at. It pays to have an InstaRead thermometer, man. Done. Done? Yeah, they're done. Oh yeah. Kill the heat on that. I'm just gonna lift these off and set them on here. The pan's now turned off, but I'm just gonna let them rest. That'll be fine. Kill the pasta and let it stand for 5 minutes, because that's what the directions say. I should thicken it as well. We'll be back in 5. Alright, let's dish it up. So the actual dish, the Knorr milk, came out kind of soupy. I didn't put so much water in, but we're just going to go ahead and serve it in a bowl. I got my chicken. Cobb. Nice. Of course, you gotta butter your corn, which I think is a law. If it's not a law, I think we should make it one. Because butter on corn is just, it's like having unbuttered popcorn. It just feels wrong. And of course, I gotta put black pepper on everything. I've got some Parmesan cheese for the noodles. Sweet. Alright. Turned out to be a bit of a simpler meal than I planned on, but it's alright. Oh yeah. Nice flavor. Might as well try the chicken real quick. Seasoned nicely, well cooked. Heck yeah. Alright, well, just a simpler one. This month's challenge was camping meals, which I intended to do Knorr rice, but you know, these things happen. Everything tastes good. I'm gonna go sit down and eat my dinner. I want to thank you for watching. Link below for Cast Iron Wednesday playlist, and also last week's video will be an end screen. So have a good one. We'll catch you in the next one. Take care.